Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can add music to Instagram posts. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and then you will be appear with the home page of Instagram. And at the middle of the screen, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can add any picture or video that you want to post. Now select any picture or video that you would like to add. Once you have selected the picture, just go ahead and tap on next. So on the top of the screen, you can see edit and music option. Just go ahead and select music and add any music of your choice. Once you have selected the song, tap on done and you are good to go. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can add music to Instagram post. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.